Dear student, today we are going to studying a John Hutchinson system of plant classification, which is a phylogenetic in nature. John Hutchinson was a British botanist associated with the Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, England. He developed and proposed system based on Bentham Hooker and Bessie. His system, phylogenetic in nature, and first appeared in the book The Families of Flowering Plants in two volumes. The first volume contains Dicotyledons, which was published in 1926, and second volume contains Monocotyledons, published in 1934. He made several revisions in different years. The final revision of the Families of Flowering Plant was made just before his death on 2nd September 1972, and the third, that is the final edition, was published in 1973. His system was based on the following principles related to flowering plants. He was followed 24 principles for classifying or developing his system of plant classification. What are his principles? Are as follows. According to him, evolution takes place in both upward and downward direction. During evolution, organs do not evolve at the same time. Generally, evolution has been consistent. Trees and shrubs are more primitive than herbs in a group like genus or family. Trees and shrubs are primitive than climbers. Perennial are older than annuals and biennials. Terrestrial angiosperm are primitive than aquatic angiosperm. Dicot plants are primitive than monocots. Spiral arrangement of vegetative and floral members are primitive than cyclic arrangement. Normally, simple leaves are more primitive than the compound leaves. Also, bisexual plants are primitive than the unisexual plants and monoecious plants. Monoecious plants are primitive than the dioecious plants. Solitary flowers primitive than the flowers on inflorescence. Types of estivation gradually evolved from contorted to imbricate to volvate. Polymerous flower precede oligomerous flowers. Polypetalous flowers are more primitive than gamopetalous flowers. Flowers with petals are more primitive than the apetalous flower. Actinomorphic flowers are more primitive than zygomorphic flower. Hypogyny is considered more primitive than epigyny and perigyny. Apocarpous pistils are more primitive than syncarpous pistils. Whereas Polycarpae is more primitive than the few carpels. Flowers with many stamens are primitive than the flowers with a few stamens. Flowers with separate anthers are primitive than the flowers with a fused anthers and filaments. Endospermic seeds with small embryo primitive than the non-endospermic seeds. Single fruits are primitive than the aggregate fruits. According to him, he was classified the flowering plants into a phylum Angiospermae. Further, this phylum Angiospermae classified into the two subphylums, Dicotyledons and Monocots. Dicots further classified into the two divisions, Lignosae and Herbaceae. Lignosae contains a woody or arboreal plants or trees. Herbaceae contain a soft wood or herbaceous plant. Lignosae includes 54 orders. Herbaceae includes 28 orders. Monocots are further divided into the division Calciferae, Coroliferae and Glumiflorae. Calciflorae includes 12 orders, Coroliferae includes 14 orders and Glumiflorae includes 3 orders. This is what the outline of Hutchinson's system of plant classification. You can see according to Hutchinson's, the phanerogams are evolved from the one of the hypothetical proangiosperms like a Benetitis. From these hypothetical proangiosperms, the dicots and monocots are simultaneously evolved. Further, dicotyledons are evolved into the Lignosi and Herbaceae, that is woody and herbaceous plant. Whereas there is a gradual evolution from manganelles to verbenales in the dicots of Lignosi, whereas Herbaceae shows the evolution from ranales to lamelles. Whereas the monocotyledon shows the evolution into the three divisions, calciferi, coroliferi and glumiferi. And this monocot is evolved from the separate ancestor of a hypothetical proangiosperm. According to his system, the division Lignosi further divided into the 54 orders from manganelles to verbenales. Herbaceae divided into the 28 orders from ranale to lamelles. Calciferi of monocot divided into the 12 order butamales to gingivarales. Coroliferi divided into the 14 orders lilial to orchideales. Glumiflori was divided into the 3 orders Gencales to gramineals. So the latest system of Hutchinson, the dicot consists 83 orders and 349 families, and monocot consists 29 orders and 69 families. Assumption of the Hutchinson system of plant classification. Assumption means on which points his system was based. What are the primitive structure and what are the advanced structure in the flowers, as we discussed earlier. Plants with petals, sepals associated with floral and anatomical character are primitive than the without petals. Floral parts pre-floral parts more primitive than united. Spiral arrangement of a floral parts more primitive than the spiral arrangement of a floral part is more primitive. Bisexual condition and free stamens primitive than the unisexual and united stamen. Regular actinomorphic flower primitive than zygomorphic flower. Solitary flower primitive than the infloresced flower. Hypogyny primitive than epigyny and perigyny. A flower with definite floral parts primitive than the flowers with a few number of floral parts. Complete flower primitive than the incomplete flowers. On these assumptions, the Hutchinson system was based. There are some merits and demerits of Hutchinson system. Under merit, we will see Hutchinson proposed monophyletic origin of angiosperm from some hypothetical proangiosperm having Benetitelian characters. Means there is a single ancestor for the angiosperm. He made valuable contribution in phylogenetic classification by his careful and critical studies. Monocots have been derived from dicot. According to him, definition of orders and families are mostly precise, practically in case of subphylum Monocotyledons. There are some demerits. There is a undue fragmentation of families. Too much emphasis is laid on habit and habitat. Thus, creation of Lignosi and Herbaceae is thought to be a defect reflecting the Aristotelian view. The origin of angiosperm from Benetitelian-like ancestor is criticized by many because the anatomical structure of the early dicotyledons are not tenable or are not similar like with such ancestry. This is what a system of Hutchinson for our study, and this is one of the good system of plant flowering plant classification and phylogenetic in origin. Thank you.